Life Designs Review. By now, you know how powerful video is. YouTube gets over 3 billion views a day. And Facebook video gets almost 2 billion a day as well. With that many viewers, there's almost an unlimited availability of traffic, regardless of what your niche or business is. Videos and graphic designs have become the strongest and easiest way to captivate, engage, and sell on the internet. Studies show that viewers retain 95% of a message when you watch it in video compared to just 10% when reading text. If you're like me, you're always looking for great ways to create engaging videos, without spending thousands of dollars on video creation. And your goal is always to stand out, and chances are, you've looked at 3D animation videos and found them too hard. That means, you probably didn't see Life Designs. What is it? How does it work? Let's find out all the details about it in my Life Designs review below. What is LifeDesigns? Life Designs is a brand new unique web app that helps you create attention-grabbing, pattern-interrupt videos, GIFs and graphics. It is the most advanced graphic design suite to create stunning graphics and designs for any marketing need, for any offer with just the push of a button. As you already know, attention is the new currency in this digital age. Once you can grab attention, making money becomes easy. And that is what we're offering you, a new way to command attention and drive traffic and sales. Life Designs just put a stop to this uncanny and unnecessary experience altogether. Now, click a few buttons and achieve the exact look that you want without wasting hours in experimentation. Creating images and videos cannot be rocket science, it has to be easily accessible and ingenious. Users get access to all the tools they need to create hyper-engaging, pattern Life Designs videos, GIFs and animations using our powerful editor and advanced features. Key features and benefits. Here are some of the countless benefits you get with Life Designs. Easy to use, fully editable dashboard. AI-powered graphics and video creator. Create captivating designs and graphics in hottest niches. Bid final goodbye to expensive monthly subscriptions like Canva, Adobe Photoshop, or to freelancers today. Convert your websites, pages and landing pages into selling magnets. Fully editable logo and icon creator with pre-made templates library. 1. Click Post Scheduler for posting on all social media platforms. Millions of searchable royalty-free assets with no copyrights. 1,000 of inbuilt proven to convert templates. Say goodbye to monthly payment hassles. Take your designs and graphic agency on next level. User-friendly battle-tested technology. It's packed with tons of additional awesome features like 24/7 dedicated customer support. No prior tech or marketing skills needed. Step-by-step video tutorials. 100% newbie-friendly, easy-to-use platform. Limited-time commercial license included. Regular monthly updates included. No experience, no technical skills, no coding or programming required. They made it as simple as possible. Point, click, and create. Unlimited videos. With Life Designs, you can design and create as many videos you want for your use in your online business. Dream it, build it. Text-to-speech. You can load your own voice or you can use the text-to-speech that creates realistic voices for you. They even have lip-sync technology. 3D characters. Life Designs comes loaded with 10 characters that feature 70 facial expressions and animations for the ultimate realistic effect. 3D backgrounds. 20 hand-selected and custom designed. These 3D backgrounds are perfect for your next project. A variety that will suit most projects. Camera angles. With 6 to 8 camera angles, capture the exact expression from the characters or movement to deliver the message you want. Export and share. Export in multiple formats, SD or HD up to 100% quality. They give you file you need for your project. Special pricing. During their initial release, they'll be offering Life Designs as a one-time fee that includes updates to V1.x with no monthly fee. Let's take a look at the details. 1. Intuitive UI dashboard. We know you like no one else could. Simply log in from anywhere in the world. The intuitive user interface design of the Dash makes it super easy for anyone to create stunning pattern interrupt videos, GIFs and images. 2. Preview designs. Not another moment's delay. Watch your creations take shape in real time. Simply drag and drop the elements and make changes with point-and-click simplicity. Preview your final designs before downloading to be completely sure. 3. Create unlimited animations. We know no limits. Limitless possibilities of the designs you can create. No limits on the profits you can make. And no limits to which you can grow your business. All we are really saying is that there are no limits to success with lifedesigns. You get the drift. 4. DIY from our range of 100 templates. Design with a purpose as you create animated or static HTML5 banners. Modify our range of templates or build one yourself. Make your design stand out by adding animations, interactive elements, and powerful call to actions. Your design has our magic of optimized marketing. 5. Add clickable links to animations. We make life as simple for your consumers as we do for you. Add an easy link for them to click and buy within your animations with a simple click of a button. 6. Full editor features. We are easy on your computer storage by being cloud-based and more unique than several other tools. Our unseen marketing features are sure to do their magic with your product or service. Creating pattern interrupt content that grabs people's attention has never been easier. 7. Easy-to-use animation timeline. Create and adjust complex animations with ease and precision. Work with animation elements separately and use unique motion effects. Customize the size, color, position, using different filters. Yes, you are right. Disney's got nothing on us. 8. Freehand drawing tool. Never miss your notepad again. Our freehand drawing tool allows you to draw irregular hand-drawn lines that follow the movement of your pointer. All lines drawn in this mode become diagram elements. You can select them and see the control points on the corners and midpoints. Use them to resize the drawing. We are redefining smooth and easy at lifedesigns. 9. 2 million plus stock images. Give up the stress of hiring professional photographers and models to get that perfect image for your banner ad. Our free range of stock graphics bring the world at your doorstep where choice is concerned. Add your logo and images, if necessary to add the personal touch simply by dragging and dropping it into the editor. 10. 151 Advanced Design Effects. Go pro with the advanced design effects to make your content stand out from the rest. Choose from a wide range of captivating, movie-like filters. Simply navigate through our wide range of professionally designed color palettes, for your videos, GIFs and images. 11. 200 plus static and animated emojis. We are rooting for emojis to become the universal language of this planet. Send your message to the world, using this lively method by adding static and animated emoticons to your videos, images and GIFs. 12. Customizable background graphics. Your choice is our command. We mean it literally: color, gradient, images and textures. Change everything with a click of a button. Preview and edit as you go, before you download the final version. Is it worth using? We built lifedesigns to enable everyday marketers to create exceptional videos. Because exceptional videos often lead to hand-over-fist sales, and customer lists bursting at the seams. Sometimes it only takes one killer video to transform an entire business. We've certainly seen that happen a lot. Companies like Coca-Cola, Sony, and Vodafone use lifedesigns, because they know giving their audience the best possible experience is the secret to developing an unstoppable global brand. They don't accept second best, because they don't need to. And today, at this discount, neither do you. This is your chance to use the same animation platform as these global mega brands. You can give your customers the very best experience and build your brand one show-stopping video at a time. And with huge discount on the commercial license, you're capable of serving major clients at the highest level, making back your investment in a single sale. Get about 100 free books and courses to earn money from the internet when you purchase this offer. The link is in the description.